In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts in Zoho Mail App 2025 guide. By the end, you'll be able to switch between inboxes seamlessly without signing out or juggling browsers. First, open Zoho Mail and sign into your main account. If you're on desktop, use the web app in a modern browser. On mobile, make sure your Zoho Mail app is updated so the menus match what you see here. Give the interface a second to load, especially if you have a lot of folders. Now look to the upper right corner for the settings icon. It's the small gear. Click it to open the settings panel. If your window is narrow, some options may collapse under a menu, so maximize the window if you don't see the gear immediately. From the settings area, find Mail Accounts. This section controls which inboxes are connected and how they behave. Go ahead and open it. Inside Mail Accounts, you'll see your current account listed. To add another, click the plus sign. Before you proceed, have the new account's login details ready. If the account has two-factor authentication, you may need an app password. For non-Zoho addresses, keep your provider's IMAP and SMTP server details handy. IMAP is recommended for full sync. You'll now see the Add Mail Account screen. Choose the type of account you're adding. For another Zoho mailbox, sign in with that address and authorize access. For a Gmail, Outlook, or other provider, pick the appropriate option or select Other IMAP/POP. Enter the email address and display name you want to show on outgoing messages. If prompted, sign in or paste the app password. For custom domains, enter the incoming server, port, and security type, then the outgoing server, port, and security. Use IMAP with SSL/TLS whenever possible. Many providers offer an automatic detect button. Use it to test the connection, then review the results. Next, set the account label and color so it's easy to spot in your sidebar. Decide whether this new account should be your default sender, and if you've got a signature prepared, attach it here so replies look consistent. Enable sync and leave fetch intervals at their recommended defaults unless you're optimizing for battery or data. Save your changes. The new mailbox will appear in your mail accounts list and in the folder pane. You can switch between inboxes from the sidebar or account switcher. To add more accounts, repeat the same process. If you ever need to pause sync or remove an account, return to mail accounts to adjust or delete it. That's all you need to add multiple accounts in Zoho Mail. Save, test, send a quick message, and you're set.